So about twice in the last week, my driver front tire has lost about 10 psi. So there's definitely a leak in that wheel. I figured it was just a nail in my tire or something like that. My tires are about a year old. So I popped it off. I have it over here and I'm spraying it down with some soapy water. And as you spray the soapy water, if there's a puncture or a hole and air's getting out, the soapy water will bubble up. And I sprayed the entire wheel and I couldn't find anything until I looked on the inside. Until I sprayed about right here. And you can see there's a crack in my rim. So let's take a closer look. I don't remember hitting anything hard or hitting any curbs or anything like that, so I don't know if it just got stressed or I did hit some bump on the highway and not really realize it, but it is slowly leaking. So I'm gonna be looking at replacing the rim. So new plan. I called Mercedes and asked what the price was for a new 19-inch AMG wheel, and they were $1,300 a piece. So I found a shop up in Cincinnati, Ohio called The Wheel Doctor, who will repair cracks and refurbish rims for about $200. So I'm gonna go up there and give them a shot. The Wheel Doctor found 2 cracks in my rim and repaired them both, and then painted over them black. Luckily, these are on the inside of my rim, so I'll never see them with the wheel installed in the car. And then they also rebalanced the wheel, which is nice. It's been 2 months and the tire has not lost any pressure and I've had no issues, so I think I might have saved myself $1,100. So far, this looks like a good alternative to replacing an expensive wheel. But of course, if anything happens, I'll let you know.